The Apple Watch is a revolutionary piece of wearable technology, offering convenience and functionality at your fingertips. However, like any electronic device, it's not immune to occasional glitches. One common frustration reported by users is the swipe up function not working as intended. If you find yourself in a situation where your Apple Watch isn't responding to the swipe up gesture, here are some troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue. A simple restart often resolves minor software hiccups. Press and hold the side button until the power off slider appears. Swipe it to turn off the watch, then press and hold the side button until the app logo appears, indicating the watch is restarting. Ensure your Apple Watch has the latest software updates installed. Go to the Watch app on your paired iPhone, navigate to General, then Software Update, and download or install any pending updates. Sometimes, dirt, moisture, or sweat on the screen can interfere with touch responsiveness. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to gently clean the display surface. In some cases, the touch sensitivity settings might need tweaking. Go to the settings on your Apple Watch, tap General, and then Accessibility. Adjust the touch accommodations or touch sensitivity settings if available. If the issue persists, consider resetting your Apple Watch settings. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, go to General, then Reset, and then reset all settings. Please note that this action will reset all settings to their default values, but it won't erase your data or apps. If none of the solutions work, it might indicate hardware problem. Reach out to the Apple support or visit an authorized service center for further assistance. Remember, these troubleshooting steps are intended to address common software-related issues. If the problem persists, despite trying these fixes, it's advisable to seek professional help to diagnose and rectify any potential hardware concerns. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.